I've heard that name.
Edie Sedgwick was a big friend of Andy Warhol's. Do you prefer me with my glasses or without my glasses?
Either one. Either one is okay. Did your father use any video or just use film? Real film? It's mostly Andy Warhol used all film.
He was a cameraman. My father went to school to...
It's real film. Because you know, today, the past 2 years, everyone's doing video. It's not film anymore. But I guess the dead life is it 16 millimeter or 35 millimeter?
It's gonna be out on disc. It's on sale on a disc already.
Oh, it is.
I'm afraid of the light here. Do you get the pictures of Ivy? Why don't you zoom on them while you're asking me about my father?
Your father is David or John?
John, here.
John. Is he working on any...
Can you zoom on his photograph?
Is he working on any movies right now?
That is my dad, my father John Gerald Palmer. He knew Andy Warhol.
Is he working on a film now in Hawaii? Or...
Not as I know of. I don't think that he's doing any more movies at this time. This is Ivy, my mother.
Where's that painting now?
This is a painting she did of Andy Warhol.
Did she sell it?
It's in France. It was in a gallery in France.
It's really nice. It's almost like, I don't know too much about painting, but it looks like Matisse. Spend most of your life in the United States or another country?
I've lived many years in Paris, in France. I've lived many years in France.
Is it better in France, you think?
Well, I was acting in movies in Paris, in France. I made a movie with
what will you do after the dead life is released? Do you have plans for another movie?
Well, I would like to I think that if it was becoming a very big success, this could lead to some acting. But